This is Shelley Kraft coming to you live on SNNLive. We're coming to you from the BioMaryland booth at Bio International in Philadelphia 2015. I have with me Dr. Andrew Lees, Fina Biosolutions. It's a private company. Dr. Lees, welcome back to SNNLive.
Thank you. It's a pleasure to be here again.
Well, it's about 5 years now, right?
That's about right, yes.
So let's get an overview of the company for our audience first.
Sure. Fina Biosolutions works with companies in the emerging markets to help them make affordable conjugate vaccines. These are vaccines that need to be chemically assembled, such as Prevnar for strep pneumonia, meningococcal disease, Hib, salmonella. And our specialty is the chemistry of making these vaccines, and we work with companies to help them learn the technology.
Well, let's just say what you do has been in the news over the course of the last couple of months for sure, and the last couple of years, right? I mean, tell us about it, and also give us anything new that's happened.
Sure. Well, one of our focuses is working to make these vaccines affordable, because although they're available in the West, for example, the strep pneumonia vaccine recently was approved for use in adults in the U.S., they're extraordinarily expensive vaccines. So part of our work is to help companies learn to make them so that they'll be affordable to the rest of the world. One of our elements has been to the improved chemistry, but the big news for us is that we've recently developed, with the assistance of PATH, a foundation funded by the Gates Foundation, to develop a low-cost version of the protein component of these vaccines. This is one of the more expensive components of the vaccines. And the introduction of this component will certainly help to reduce the cost of the vaccines and make them more widely available.
Which countries in particular are you supplying?
I'm working with companies in India, China, principally, but also have contacts with Indonesia and Bangladesh.
Well, it's still now a volume business at that point as well.
It's absolutely a volume business. This is about making things low cost, and that means very low margins. The prices, we expect the prices, these products are sold to the Gavi, the Global Alliance for Vaccine Initiative, and the current price, for example, in the West is over $100 a dose. The Gavi price will be in the range of $3 a dose.
And the foundations are lining up to help you, right? I mean, there's a big movement underway.
Well, they're actually helping the companies in these markets, but we help the companies.
So let's ask ourselves a question. Where do you go from here?
Well, there's still more need for these. We're looking to expand access to this protein. We just actually introduced this protein as a product here at Bio. So we're looking now to find companies who are interested in using it.
So you introduced it here?
Well,
at the Bio International? I mean,
I
seriously?
Yes,
That's
that meant I started talking to people about it.
So now let's get. Who do you talk to?
I'm very familiar with companies in the vaccine field. There are not a lot of major players in this field, so I know who they are. From my background in the chemistry area of the vaccines, people are aware of me, so it's not hard for me to go up and talk to people about this.
So why Maryland?
Maryland is just a great place to work. There's just tremendous resources. The person who actually developed this product in my lab was here in Maryland. Her husband was employed in Maryland. She needed a job in Maryland. She was absolutely brilliant. I won't name the company that laid her off, but it was really their loss.
And your gain.
And absolutely my gain. Let me just say one other area. We work in vaccines that use carbohydrates. We recently, through our expertise in carbohydrate polymers, started working with a company in Georgia that manufactures polymers for industrial applications. But in their part of the country, there's very little R&D talent, whereas our laboratory, located in Maryland, has a tremendous amount of expertise and access to expertise in this area. So over the last year, we've started a new division doing research and development in the area of industrial microbiopolymers. biopolymers. This is a tremendous area. I had no idea the same class of things, molecules we were working with could be used in aluminum, oil and gas extraction, fracking fluids, and things like that. So we are now developing environmentally friendly fracking fluids as a spin-off of our vaccine business.
That's interesting. Let's give out your website for more information.
It's www.finabio.com. Thank you.
Fina, that almost goes with oil and gas.
It does. It's the name of our family cat. And you can see her picture on our website.
Ladies and gentlemen, how can we top that? Dr. Andrew Lee's Fina Biosolutions. It's a private company. I'm Shelley Kraft. This is SNNLive, and we're coming to you live from BioMaryland's booth at Bio International in Philadelphia 2015. Dr. Lee's, always good to see you.
Thank you.